Okay, student. Today we are discussing the new chapter, right? Class 10, right? Acid, base, and salt. Here, acid, base, and salt. Actually, this chapter is we are used in daily life, right? Means हम लोग फूड के अंदर या तो एसिडिक सब्सटेंस ले रहे हैं, या तो बेसिक ले रहे हैं, या तो फिर सॉल्ट, right? According to your textbook, right? Means 10th class NCERT textbook. Acid, base, and salt, right? Here directly provide the different examples, right? Means proper definition is not given here. Clear? So we are discuss here first definition, what is acid, what is base, and what is salt, right? Different scientists is given the different theory, but Arrhenius is the very successful scientist. He is given the perfectly definition acid and base, right? So what is Arrhenius acid base theory? Here Arrhenius is a given H plus substance, right? H plus ion, right, is present, right? This substance is acid, right? So what is the Arrhenius theory? H plus ion, hydrogen ion is present here. This one is acid, right? Lot of example is given here, just like hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, oleum, H2H2O7, right? Acetic acid, CS3COOH, right? And he is given the different type of, right, examples is also, and is given the definition is minus logarithm base 10 or hydronium ion. H3O plus means hydronium ion. क्लियर? हमारी लैंग्वेज में अगर हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज एसिड, एसिड है क्या, राइट? सी सपोज sometime ask in examination is the definition of acid, so some maximum student write the different type of example, not a proper definition, right? So what is proper definition? H plus ion, hydrogen ion is present, right? This compound is called the acid. Just like a lot of example is here, just like in hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H2SO4, H2H2O7, oleum, and CS3COOH is acidic acid. Here H plus substance is present here, right? So all example is here acid. Clear? So same thing, base definition is also given the Arrhenius, right? So what is the definition of base? According to Arrhenius, OH minus ion, this one is called the hydroxide ion, right, is present, right? This substance is called the base is there, right? Lot of example is given, the base is also here, just like KOH, right, potassium hydroxide, CaOH twice, right, calcium hydroxide, MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, right, or NaOH means sodium hydroxide is there, right? So according to Arrhenius, what is acid and what is base, right? So acid means what? H plus ion is present, this one is acid. OH minus ion is, this one is present, the base is there, right? So write down is here OH ion, so KOH, OH is present here, COH twice, OH is present here, MgOH twice, OH is present here, NaOH twice, so OH is again is present here, right? Means this theory is the Arrhenius acid base theory, right? According to your textbook, directly provide the lot of different type of definition or property, not exactly provide the definition is there. Clear? मतलब यहाँ पे acid और base की definition क्या होगी? अगर H plus ion present हो तो this one is acid, and OH minus ion is present here, so this one is base is there, right? Okay. Next is another example is also we have discussed. What is salt? Salt means this one is formula is NaCl, sodium chloride, right? तो सोडियम क्लोराइड हमको किसमें से मिलता है? तो वो किसमें से मिलता है? सी वाटर के अंदर से. क्लियर? सो एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट, ये चैप्टर के अंदर हमको यही डिस्कस करना है. Which substance is acidic, which substance is basic, and which substance is the neutral is there, right? See, suppose different example we are discuss here, different type of indicator we are discuss here, right? And what is the right importance acid or base and salt in our life, right? We are discussing this chapter, right? Okay, we are discuss the line to line this chapter, right? I have learned in your previous class that is the sour and bitter taste of food are due to the acidic and base. You are already studying in your previous class, means class 9, right? Some substance, some food is the sour taste and some is the bitter taste. Means acidic is the or basic, right? Both are this taste is also different is there, right? मतलब कुछ का taste एकदम खट्टा होगा, right? This one substance is the acid is there. You are already familiar in your last class, means class 9. Okay. Here, respectively present in them is someone in the family is suffering from the problem of acidity after eating the different type of foods. Means here sometimes we are see in some aged person in our family, right? They are suffering to acidity. So what is exactly acidity? Acidity means what? Sometimes in our internal body, right, acid ratio is more, right? And we are take right now this moment is the basic substance, water, right? And हम क्या करते हैं? Acid के अंदर base को mix करते हैं. Clear? So this substance is the neutral is there, right? Acidity is a very common problem, right? We can see in our family some different type of aged person is there. Okay, here which of the following would you suggest as the remedy? Lemon, vinegar, a baking soda solution? मतलब some person is suffering to acidity, so what is we are suggest? Suppose acid ratio is more here, so base substance is added is there. अगर आपने lemon juice पिलाया, तो lemon juice is also acid, right? वो acid में अगर acid mix होगा तो वो और भी problem create करेगा. So we are enter the different type of base substance is there, right? Means this one is very common problem. Okay, which property did you think of while choosing the remedy? Surely you must have used for knowledge about the ability of acid, base and roughly each other effect. Is recall how we had tested sour and bitter substance without the tested. मतलब suppose अगर आपके सामने एसिड बेस और सॉल्ट, खास करके एसिड और बेस, राइट, आपके सामने अगर रखा जाए, राइट, तो you can how can you are identify this substance is acidic or this substance is base. So we are use the different type of indicator, right? The next we are discuss the different type of indicator. Indicator is the very common word, right? हम लोग यूज करते हैं जनरली टू व्हीलर और फोर व्हीलर के लिए इंडिकेटर. तो इंडिकेटर मीन्स व्हाट? सपोज आप टू व्हीलर यूज कर रहे हो या फोर व्हीलर आप यूज कर रहे हो, जब आपको लेफ्ट साइड टर्न होना होगा तो यू आर यूज द लेफ्ट इंडिकेटर, राइट? जब आप राइट साइड टर्न हो गए तो यू आर यूज द राइट इंडिकेटर इज देयर. मींस इंडिकेटर इज द इंडिकेट द स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन, राइट? सेम थिंग हियर इज आल्सो, राइट? यहां पे भी हमको इंडिकेटर मींस व्हाट? सब्सटेंस इज द एसिडिक और बेसिक, उसको चेक करने के लिए जो हम डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस स्टडी करेंगे, जस्ट लाइक अ लिटमस पेपर, राइट? सपोज आपके सामने बीकर रख दे, राइट? टू बीकर इज हियर, राइट? सपोज दिस वन इज द बीकर ए, सपोज दिस वन इज बीकर ए इज हियर and another is the beaker B. Suppose we are taking the here beaker A, right? And here his substance is acidic, right? Means H plus ion is present there. We are already discussed H plus ion present means this one is acidic, right? So how can you are identifying this substance is acidic? So we are use the different type of indicators, right? So indicator another, suppose we are taking the another beaker is here, right? Suppose beaker is B and here we are use the base is there, right? Here is the acid and here is the base, right? So how can you are identify this beaker A, right? Here is the acid and here is base. So we are use the different type of indicator, right? Indicator means what? Suppose two type of indicator we are use, just like a litmus paper. Litmus paper means this one is the one type of paper, right? Natural indicator, right? When we are deep in this substance means beaker 1, right? Suppose blue color litmus paper is changed the red color, right? So this substance is the acidic is there. And here suppose red color litmus paper color is changed is blue, so this one is the base substance is there. And sometimes we are used is liquid indicator is also just like a phenolphthalein or methyl orange, right? Means different type of indicator. Indicator means what? We can check the substance acidic or basic is there, right? Suppose color is changed, right? Suppose blue color indicator we are used here, right? Deep in substance, right? Solution, and color is changed blue to red. So this beaker is solution is the acidic here, and acidic solution here, so H plus ion present here according to Arrhenius, right? Another beaker we have checked beaker B, right? Here red color litmus paper is color change again is blue, so this solution is called the base is there. Base substance is here, so OH minus ion is present is there, right? So what is indicator? Substance is check the acidic or basic is here. Okay. Next here we are discussing. We already know that the acid are sour in taste and change the color is litmus to red, right? Means acid is a change the color blue litmus to red. So this substance is the acidic is here, right? Okay. Where base are bitter and change the color of litmus to blue. Litmus is the natural indicator. Turmeric is another indicator is there. So what is litmus? Litmus or turmeric? This one is the natural indicator because this is a part of the nature, right? वो ट्री के पार्ट्स में से बनाया जाता है, right? So this one is called the two type of natural indicator, litmus or turmeric, right? So what is the role of indicator? Substance is check the acidic or basic is there. Clear? Okay. Here, have you noticed that a stain of curry on the white cloth of reddish brown when shocked, which is the basic in nature, is a scrub in turn yellow again is when the cloth is washed with plenty, or you can also use the synthetic indicators such as the methyl orange and phenolphthalein in test of the acidic or basic solution. Means ये जैसे एक पेपर है, नेचुरल इंडिकेटर है, सेम थिंग वी आर यूज द right liquid indicator is also. So liquid indicator means what? Suppose we are here enter drop by drop methyl orange or phenolphthalein, two liquid indicator we are discussing according to your textbook. मतलब हम इसमें drop by drop अगर methyl orange और right phenolphthalein डालें, both are is the liquid indicator, right? So color again is here change, right? So this one is a suppose red to blue color change here, so this is again is a base and here is a red color change, so again is one is the acid is there, right? So here we are discuss what is the definition of acid, what is definition of base, right? And what is indicator and what is role of indicator, right? So two type of indicator we are discuss here. First is the natural indicator, right? Phenolphthalein or methyl orange is the liquid indicator, right? Means litmus paper or turmeric is the natural indicator is here, right? Means actually this chapter is very important, but line to line, right, is a one new concept is there, right? Okay. Here in chapter we will study the reaction of acid and base, how the base cancel out each other, effects and many more interesting that we use and see in our day-to-day life. Means what is we are discussing this chapter, different substance, right? Some substance is acidic, some is the basic and some is the salt, right? How to react, right? मतलब अभी तक हमने ये चैप्टर्स में क्या डिस्कस किया? एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट, राइट? फर्स्ट एसिड और बेस, राइट? टेस्ट इज द bitter or right is a different type of test is indicate is there, but we are discussed a lot of definition or example is also just like what is the definition of acid. So according to Arrhenius, right, H plus substance is present here, this one is acid. Lot of example we are discussed here, just like a hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, H2H2O7 is the oleum, right? And CH3COOH is acidic acid, right? This is the formula of, right, acid is there. Minus logarithm Bell-Stein or hydronium ion, H3O plus means hydronium ion is there, right? Here all different example, but H plus ion is present here. So all example is the acid is there. Another example is the base. According to Arrhenius, OH minus ion is present here. So this substance is the base. Lot of example is here. KOH, right? KOH, COH twice, MgOH twice, NaOH, right? Here OH minus means hydroxide ion is present here. So all example is the basic here, right? And we have discussed the indicator. Indicator means what? Right? How to identify, how to check, right? Solution is acidic or basic. So we have used the two type of indicator, right? First is the litmus paper. Blue color litmus paper is suppose color is red. So this substance is the acidic. Suppose red litmus, right, is red solution. Red color litmus paper is color is changed the blue. So this substance is the basic. We have discussed two type of liquid indicator is also, right? Just like a phenolphthalein or methyl orange. Next topic we have discussed what is a react acid to the metal. जब एसिड मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट करे, राइट, तो उसमें एग्जैक्टली कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा वो हमको डिस्कस करना है, जो कि हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट. आपको इतना रिवाइज कर लेना है, राइट. थैंक यू.